Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install the Insomnia Cookies app. So let's get started. So to download and install the Insomnia Cookies app, you have to follow these easy steps. So if you are an Android user, then you can use your Google Play Store or your Google search bar. And if you are an uh, and like iOS user, then you have to open in your Apple store. So here I will just go to search bar and search for the app. Then here you can see the app, just click on there. Then here you have to click on the install and it will automatically download and install the app in your device. If you scroll down, you can see the app as well from here, and it's very easy to do it. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.